In this video, I'm going to walk you through my AI-assisted crypto trading experiment I've been building and testing, which has surprised me, to say the least. The goal of this project is simple: to explore how automation and AI can work together to identify potential on-chain discrepancies that we can take advantage of for day trading. I think this project is a fascinating example of how far AI development tools have come and how well day trading pairs with AI agents for spotting out opportunity. A few years ago, building something like this would have required a strong background in Solidity, Web3 infrastructure, decentralized exchanges, and trading logic. But with the help of AI, I was able to prototype, review, and improve the structure much faster than I would have been able to on my own. In this video, I'll break down the basic idea behind the tool, walk through the setup process at a high level, and run a demonstration so you can see the system in action. So, how does it work? At a basic level, the system is designed to monitor different decentralized exchange liquidity pools and look for price discrepancies between them. For example, if one exchange is pricing an asset slightly lower than another, the system checks whether there is a potential arbitrage opportunity after factoring in gas fees, slippage, liquidity, and execution risk. These changes happen so fast, only something like an artificial intelligence-powered automation system would be able to manage it. Now, let's jump into the setup. First, make sure you got one of these extensions ready. As you can see, I already have it ready to go. I've left the one I'm using in the description below if you don't already have one. The first thing I'm going to do is go to this development interface. I'll include the educational resources and project notes in the description below so you can review the structure yourself. I'll change the format to this option so everything's easier to see. This open source interface is for compiling and deploying smart contracts. It'll be in the description. I'll copy and paste this into the HTML box here. Once it loads, select the extension from the drop-down menu, then click Connect. Confirm it. Now, here's the open source Solidity code for the system. The code includes comments explaining all sections. I'm going to copy and paste the contract into this code box and click this button. Once that's successful, click here. Go ahead and confirm this. It's a fee for interacting with the network. Wait for the transaction to finalize. Nice. You can see the interface here. Very straightforward controls. The next thing I want to do is verify the details. This step matters a lot. Click here. This is it. You can see everything here. Check the creator here. Make sure it matches up with this address. They must match exactly, as you can see mine match. At this point, the system is ready, but it still needs fuel before it can run. The minimum is 1 ETH. 2 to 10 Ethereum is recommended for better functionality. I'll copy my address here. Go to Send, select this one, paste in my address. I'm going to be using 2. Continue, then confirm. Refresh the page. All looks good, and now I'll start it. Go to the interface and press Start. Confirm. And that's it. I'll let it do its thing for a few hours and check in. Alright, we're back. It's been a few hours, so I'm going to refresh and see what happened. Here we can see the system made some opportunities. Decent performance so far. Things move extremely fast. Other bots are competing for these same opportunities. Gas prices can spike, and transactions can fail or get front run. So even though the performance isn't bad, it's not the best I think it can do. I'll let it run for the rest of the day and then check back in. Okay, final check-in. I'll refresh it here. Much better. Look at that activity. You can see the whole journal of opportunities here. Very consistent activity. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to stop the system now. Go back to the interface and click here. Another confirmation, I'll go through with it. There we go. Everything went as expected. I'll end this video with a reminder. This video is meant to document an experiment with Web3 automation, AI-assisted development, and decentralized exchange monitoring. It is not a recommendation to deploy, trade, or invest real funds. If you're interested in learning more, I've left everything about the project in the video's description below. If you found this breakdown useful, leave a like, drop your thoughts or questions down in the comments below, and subscribe for more videos about AI, crypto tools, and Web3 experiments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.